Club. So this is the biggest nightclub in Bali. So Atlas is the best place for looking for special someone.
Yeah.
How about the girls? Do they have one
The
free?
girls only get the free entry, but if you use this wristband, so you get the free flow.
I love Bali.
I love Bali too. Thank you, Eta. Is it free?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh!
Nobody
Yeah, just us. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my God. Hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Polito Traveler. And alas 9 na, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bali, Indonesia. And papunta tayo ngayon sa biggest nightclub, biggest beach club in the world, Atlas. So kung kayo guys ay magbabali, you can book your activities and hotel via Klook. And gamitin niyo yung promo code ko, Dave Dino, para maka-discount kayo ng 5% sa hotel, tapos 3% sa inyong mga activities. Okay, so the night is young. Sabi ni Kuya dito, makakahanap ko tayo ng jowa doon. Ito yung mode of transport natin lagi, go check.
I hope so.
So Atlas is the best place for looking for couple. Looking for special someone.
Yeah. I hope so.
Here we go guys. Alright, nandito na tayo sa may papasok. Atlas, we're here. We're just waiting for our friends. So are you guys in for an adventure tonight? Let's experience the nightlife of Bali. Yeah, closes at 3 a.m. Saturday, so I'm expecting there's a lot tonight. So this is free for girls. Yeah. It's just 9 p.m. guys. So for boys, this is around 200,000 IDR. Ang bait naman ni ate. Sinama niya kayo sa guest list, so you're free. So gays like me, we have to pay 200,000. Oh, yung beach club. Pero yung super club, it's free for girls and 200,000 for me. Yeah. And of course, medyo kuripot traveler din ang ating mga kasama. Ayaw na tipid hacks. One drink.
Yes.
Okay,
And
thank
you select
you.
the drink, so you cannot choose for the...
Yeah. How about the girls? Do they have one
The
free?
girls only get the free entry, but if you use this wristband, so you get the free flow from 10 until 12 at the park.
Free what?
Free flow.
Free flow.
Oh, free flow.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. How I wish I'm a girl right now. Free flowing. Why is it? Why girls only?
This is the regulation of the club in Bali. Usually for the ladies free
For the
entry,
ladies.
and then you get the
My God.
privilege.
Yeah, that's nice.
I love Bali.
I love Bali too. Thank you, Eta. Eta, thank you. Oh my gosh, Bali's so nice. Ay, I'm not sure. Let's go.
You have reservation?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can take photo niya doon.
Free flowing of what?
Yeah, drinks. My God. Water. Water. Free flowing, but water. Mineral water. See? Yeah, very posh. Very posh siya. Ha? Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Welcome to Atlas Super Club. So this is the biggest nightclub in Bali. Grabe guys. Ang ganda. Ang posh. Ang toilet, ang posh din. So the night is young. It's just almost 10 p.m. Oh, pack. Oh, 9:42. Parang tayong nagbukas. Wala pa ganong tao. Napasok lang kayo, guys. Birthday mo? Happy birthday! Ang laki naman ng venue. Ang taray! Wow! Wow, tequila! Shot! Malakas na kay kuya.
Hey,
Okay.
Is this free?
yeah, exactly. Hey,
Oh!
nobody knows, right? Nobody
Yeah, just us. Oh, thank you so much.
Where from? Guys?
Oh my God! Tequila!
Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali.
I thought it's free. But Ate Abby paid it for me. Thank you so much. You will split. Thank you. You've adopted me since earlier. Thank you so much.
She is the boss.
She is the boss. Yeah, she is the boss. She's the manager.
It's over, so you want drinks?
Cheers. Cheers. Bait ni Arya, binigyan na naman tayo ng ng libreng shot. Buti nandito ka.
Namumulutan na ang orange.
Ikaw yung lucky charm. Binigyan ka pa ng orange. Malakas ka sa mga balinis. Mga babies. Sana yung kinabayan kanina, tapos tinanong yung pangalan. What's your name? Tapos nag-expect din ako. Ako naman. Ikaw lang talaga. Oh, sabayan mo. Yeah. God, mag-alas 2 na. At nakakakita na kami ng mga taong humimlay after mag-party. But it was fun, right? It was fun. Ang ganda ng club. Production levels. Grabe. Did you have fun? Super nice. A very posh club. What? The DJ. The DJ was so cool and guwapo. Oh. Oh.
Pwede.
The first one, no, her type. The current. Yeah. Guys, ang saya. Oh my gosh. So this is the biggest nightclub in Bali. So kung magbabali kayo, make sure to enjoy the nightlife here and go here at Las Siya.
What do you want?
Pangalan. Fins? Why fins?
It's dark here. Yeah.
So you can see people. Okay. Fins. They recommend fins. Fins.
There's more above.
There's more afam. Fun night. So this is Dave, guys. Ay, Nakulipot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye.